Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Pusheen owl. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw a small circle. Now for the sides, let's draw an oval underneath and bring it back up. Now let's move inside and let's add the face. In the center, let's draw two curves for the mouth. And then circles for the eyes. And then color both of the eyes in black. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's draw two curves going out for the whiskers. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and draw the body. Let's start on top and let's draw a small curve. Then from the sides, let's bring it up and back down for the ears. Now underneath each ear, let's curve it down and curve it in at the bottom. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move inside and add some details. Let's start at the top next to the face and let's draw a curve on both sides. Now let's move down and let's draw the wings. Let's start with the curve down and up on the left, and the same on the right. Now from the top, let's curve it down to the center, and the same on the right side as well. And then close off the bottom of each wing with two bumps. Next, let's move down and let's add the feet. Underneath, let's draw a curved V shape on both sides. Then for the ends, let's curve it inwards. And then one more curve up and back down in the center. That's it for the feet. Now behind it, let's draw the patch on the belly. Let's start under the wings and let's draw a curve down. And the same on the other side. And then continue the lines by curving it in between the feet. Next, let's move inside and draw the pattern on the belly. At the top in the center, let's draw an upside down V shape. And then from the ends, let's curve it back up, meeting at a point. Now let's move down and draw two more in the same way. And that's it for this Pusheen owl. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!